Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Jeep Wrangler. First, gather all your necessary tools like a heat gun, squeegee, and a sharp utility knife. Before applying any vinyl, thoroughly clean your Jeep's surface, ensuring it's free from dirt, wax, and grease. This crucial preparation step guarantees proper adhesion and a smooth, bubble-free finish. Next, carefully measure each panel and cut your vinyl wrap with a little extra for trimming. Now, let's apply the vinyl. Begin by peeling back a small section of the backing paper and carefully position the wrap onto the panel. Use your squeegee to smooth the vinyl from the center outwards, pushing out any air bubbles. For curved areas, gently heat the vinyl with your heat gun to make it more pliable, allowing it to conform perfectly. Once applied, trim any excess material with a sharp knife for a clean edge. After the main application, it's time for the finishing touches. Go back over all the edges and corners with your heat gun, applying gentle pressure to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Carefully tuck any remaining edges into body seams and crevices for a truly professional and seamless appearance. Finally, take a moment to thoroughly inspect your entire wrapped Jeep for any small air bubbles or imperfections, gently pressing them out or using a pin if needed. To keep your new Jeep wrap looking fantastic, always wash it by hand using a mild automotive soap and a soft sponge. Avoid automatic car washes, harsh chemicals, and high-pressure sprayers, as these can damage the vinyl and compromise its adhesion. Regular, gentle cleaning will extend the life and vibrancy of your wrap for many years. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.